Hello guys, today we are going to talk about success and employment law. So the plan of the lesson, employment law and vocabularies of success and failure and human resources and some collocations belonging to the employment law. Let's continue. What is employment law? As we know, almost all business use some sort of employment law. Employment law, this is the area of law that governs the employer and employee's relationship. Therefore, if the business has more than one employee, then the business likely use employment law. This area is made up of both state and federal law and includes many different subjects with the common goal to protect workers' rights. For employees, these laws work to prevent discrimination, to promote health and safety, to establish a minimum required level for economic support, to prevent work disruptions due to disputes between labor and management. And employment law includes following things, such as workers' compensation, employment discrimination, labor relations, family and medical leave, immigration, employee benefits, social security, wrongful termination, occupational safety and health, and the last one, minimum wage. And right now I am going to give you some vocabularies belonging to the success. First, question for you. What is the success? Success, this is the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. And the word accomplished, this is succeeded in doing something. That can be an adjective. For example, she is highly skilled at playing the piano. And they achieve. This is succeed in doing something. This is the synonym of accomplish. And a bit of trouble. This is much more informal word. That can be problems coping. For example, they are having a bit of trouble controlling their teenage children at the moment. And the next word is to cope with, to successfully deal with a challenge or difficulty. For example, she copes well with managing the shop. Didn't succeed, that's to say failed or didn't achieve. Dramatic improvement, this is the big improvement. There has been a dramatic improvement in the city's air quality after they limited the traffic. And the next word is targets, this is the aims or purpose. And the excellent grasp, this is a very good understanding, often of a difficult topic. For example, there are in a class, there are a lot of the students, and some of them can understand what you are talking, and some of them cannot understand what you are speaking to. Those who can understand, they have excellent grasp. So let's continue. And some vocabularies belonging to the human resources. What is human resources? This is the department, if we take into consideration as a department. This is the department of a business or organization that deals with the hiring, administration or training of staff. And the vocabularies belonging to human resources. This is first, we can say day shift. A period of time worked during the daylight hours in a hospital, factory, university, and etc. The next word is aptitude test. A test designed to determine a person's ability in a particular skill or field of knowledge. So the next word is dismissal. Dismissal, this is the act of ordering or allowing someone to leave. Early retirement. The practice of leaving employment before the statutory age, especially on favorable financial terms. The next one is maternity leave, a period of absence from work granted to a mother before or after the birth of a child. The next word is general strike. This is a strike of workers in all or most industries. That's to say, we don't work. Redundancy payment. This is the money that a company pays to workers who have lost their jobs because they don't have no work. A labor dispute. This is a disagreement between an employer and employees regarding to the terms of employment. And a clerk who is in a senior position and performs office tasks on the minimum or minimal supervision. And there are some collocations belonging to the employment law. First, to appoint a person, to choose someone to have a particular job, or to give someone a position or duty. For example, I was appointed as a director. So the next word is to be fired, to be dismissed from a job, to go on strike. If employees want to protest their work conditions, they go on the strike or refuse to work until conditions improve. To fill a vacancy. If someone fills a job vacancy, they accept a job that have been offered. And secure employment. This is an employment scam designed for individuals that are not presently able to perform in competitive employment or supported employment settings. Take measures. Take measures, this is take action to achieve a particular purpose. To be laid off. If workers are laid off, they are told by their employers to leave their job because usually they don't have any work to do. This is the end of the lesson. If you have any questions, you are welcome. Have a nice continuation. Goodbye.